The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Viewpoint Test Pacific Commander detected a missile threat inbound to Anderson County, Knox County, Morgan County, Roane County. Locations in the warning include Oak Ridge, Clinton, Knoxville, Oliver Springs, Spearmint, Cons, Powell, Norris, and Halls. Missiles are expected to impact the named locations within the next 15 minutes. Civilians are urged to shelter in place immediately, in the lowest point of your home, or nearest substantial structure. Bring an emergency supply of food, water, clothes, batteries and a battery-powered radio with you into your shelter enough for 14 days. The missiles may cause power disruption. Conserve batteries, and stay tuned into this frequency. To remind people listening on television, the frequency is 800 megahertz on the FM band. This is TMAC.